everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is Growing on Vancouver Island. Today we're going to be planting some butterfly bushes and some rock rose ground cover. I've never planted any butterfly bushes in my yard before, so I'm super excited to try to attract even more butterflies into my rock garden area. And I have planted rock rose ground cover and I am absolutely in love with it, so I'm super excited to be adding some more to my collection. Particularly good mood today. I'm not entirely sure why, but he definitely woke up on the right side of the bed this morning. Let's take a look at where we're going to plant these lovely plants. So here's a quick view of where we're going to be planting our butterfly bushes and our rock roses. We're standing on the exterior part of our back fence, and it extends from this light colored gravel all the way to that dark colored gravel at the top. We don't have too many plants planted in this area. All we have are some campanula, which are these beautiful purple ground covers that I planted about a month ago. All of these little green plants and seedlings that are foxgloves that self-seeded themselves about 2 years ago. They come back every year. And these little hens and chicks that I planted to stop the weeds from coming through the bottom of our fence. I guess they've decided that growing vertically is the way to go, as well as a few wildflower seeds that I sprinkled early this spring. I haven't seen any sprouts yet, but they may still be coming. Here are the plants we're going to be working with today. Here's a closer look. They're pretty petite little pots, and these will grow into good sized bushes, but I like to get them as small as possible because number one, they're cheaper, and number two, you don't have to dig as big of a hole. So let's take a look at the tags. And this little man is craving my attention as always. So here are the varieties of butterfly bush we're going to be planting. We have Buzz Hot Raspberry Buddleia and Buzz Midnight Buddleia. So we've got like a fuchsia and a lovely purple color. And let's just take a quick look at the back, see what these plants look like. Full sun. They grow 30 to 60 inches tall and 30 to 50 inches wide, and they bloom summer to fall. So that is the raspberry buddleia, and the purple buddleia, or what do they call it, Buzz Midnight Buddleia, likes full sun, 30 to 60 inches high, and spacing is 30 to 50 inches wide, blooms in summer to fall. So those sound lovely. Now let's look at our rock roses. And this guy is trying to steal the spotlight with his little dancing in the gravel episodes. My goodness, he is just rolling around like a monkey today. And here is the aftermath of what I'm going to have to tidy up later. So here are the tags for our rock roses. We have Ben Lady, Helianthemum, not saying the real name correctly, and Ben Hope. Both rock rose ground covers. They're both in shades of pink or pinky orange, but I do think they're different shades. I don't think the camera picks that up properly, but these plants are so drought tolerant. They love full sun, and they smother out the weeds, which is the best thing about them. I have a huge one in my backyard, and it is an absolute great plant to have because I know there's weeds underneath. Occasionally I pluck them out, but you pretty much don't see them because it smothers them. So it's absolutely wonderful. Let's look at the back of one of these. It likes full sun, blooms May to July. Low growing evergreen ground cover with flowers that resemble small roses. And it also has a pretty good spread. It spreads out as far as it is supposed to spread and possibly even further, which I absolutely love. So if you have a spot with full sun, dry in the summer, and a good amount of space, this is a great ground cover to plant, and good drainage is also needed. So for the type of soil that my plants are going to be going into, it's basically very infertile, very dry, hard to dig in, very rocky, good drainage. It's basically fill from the original developer of this area. There's no topsoil that's, as far as I know, has ever been really put there. So rock roses love to grow in infertile soil, so we're not going to be giving them any fertilizer. But our butterfly bushes, we're just going to give them a little mycorrhizae to help with root development. But other than that, we're not going to be really amending them with anything today, just getting them into the native soil, or fill, whatever you want to call it, and giving them a little bit of mycorrhizae. So let's get started. So here's a final look at our planting. This is a rock rose, which is a shade of pink. And then we have some pale pink foxgloves all through this area, as well as another pink rock rose and another pink rock rose. They're all different shades. Then we have a whole pile of foxgloves. Here's one of the fuchsia butterfly bushes beside a purple campanula and another purple campanula with our purple butterfly bush and a purple campanula. So I think this is going to be a beautiful display of spring and summer color down this little side yard. That's going to be all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.